Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download After Effects motion graphics templates for YouTube, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to your preferred search engine. Type After Effects motion graphics templates into the search bar. Explore the search results for reputable websites that offer templates. Visit websites such as Envato Elements, Motion Array, or Adobe Stock. Browse through the available templates to find one that suits your project. Click on the template to view more details, including features and compatibility. Check if the template is compatible with your version of After Effects. Review any user reviews or ratings for the template you are considering. If you decide to purchase or download the template, locate the Purchase or Download button. Follow the prompts to complete the transaction if purchasing. If the template is free, click on the Download button directly. Select a destination on your computer to save the template file. Once the download is complete, navigate to the folder where you saved the template. Extract the downloaded zip file if necessary. Open Adobe After Effects on your computer. Go to the File menu and select Import. Choose File again and locate the motion graphics template you just downloaded. Click Open to import the template into your project. Drag the imported template onto your composition timeline. Customize the template as needed by following any specific instructions included with it. Adjust text, colors, and other elements to fit your video style. Preview your composition to see how the motion graphics integrate with your project. When you are satisfied with your adjustments, go to Composition and select Add to Render Queue. Set your desired output set. Click the Render button to export your video with the motion graphics. Your project is now ready for YouTube. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.